This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello, it's us, Topsy and Tim.
I'm at home with Mummy today. Two dogs. Today, I'm watching Mummy clear out our playhouse because I can't go to school. I'm still getting better after my appendicitis operation.
The playhouse needed a really good spring clean.
Whoa, you found my hula hoop. It's a bit broken, but look, Mummy, watch me.
Oh, no, Topsy. No, you're supposed to be sitting down, taking it easy, please.
But I love hula hooping.
Oh, I know you do, Topsy, but your tummy is not well enough for hula hooping yet.
I knew you'd say that.
Look, you need to just sit down and take it easy for me, OK? Can you have a look through these boxes and see if there's anything that you want to keep?
Mummy, when is Grandma coming?
I've told you so many times, Topsy twin. Grandma's coming over later this afternoon when she takes Mossy for her walkies.
Mummy, what will Tim be doing at school now?
Tim will probably be playing with his friends about now, I would have thought. And you will be going back to school again very soon as well. But you've got to do what the doctor says and take it easy, OK?
I know that. But what shall I do while you're finishing off clearing out the playhouse?
What would you like to do?
Go on the swing?
No. Not until you're better. You have just had a really big operation.
Hello!
Hello! It's DIY Derek. Come on.
Hi, DIY Derek.
Hello!
What are you doing in Mr. Penn's garden?
I'm just fixing his fence for him. And I brought a friend along with me to help.
Aww, it's a little dog. What's your dog's name, DIY Derek?
She's called Teddy. She's 3 years old, and my wife and I have only just got her.
Please, may I stroke Teddy, Mummy? Please, double, please.
Yes, of course you can, if DIY Derek says it's OK.
Of course. Teddy loves to be stroked. Don't you, Teddy? You like to be stroked, don't you? Yes, you do. Yes. I'll tell you what. I'll finish with this panel and I'll bring her round to your garden, Topsy.
OK.
All right, see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
All right.
That's exciting, isn't it? It's gorgeous, Teddy.
When he's finished, DIY Derek comes to our garden for a cup of tea, and I play with Teddy. Come here. Teddy, come on. Come here. Teddy! Good girl. Sit.
Here's your tea.
Oh, lovely, thank you. Oh, thank you.
She's so soft.
You know, Topsy, she likes to have her tummy tickled too.
Teddy, come on.
And Topsy, she likes to play with her rubber bone.
Oh. Teddy, here you go. She likes her garden.
Oh, she's probably sniffed something interesting. She likes to explore. She'll come back to you soon, Topsy, don't worry.
Oh, it's the phone. I won't be a minute, Derek.
OK. Teddy!
Teddy!
Can you see her?
Come on.
Oh, look! Topsy, I've just remembered something. Look.
Oh!
My wife bought some doggy snacks. Look! I think she recognises the rustle of the bag, doesn't she?
She likes her doggy snacks.
Yes. Feed her one, but keep your hand nice and flat for
I
me.
know how to feed her because we feed our grandma's dog, Mossy, a lot.
Oh. There, she likes that, doesn't she? Don't you? Look, look.
Gorgeous.
Mummy, I was feeding the dog.
Oh, she's a hungry little doggy, isn't she?
Just one every now and again's fine, Topsy. I'll tell you what, I'll put these back in my pocket for now. Yes.
Topsy, do you remember Grandma was coming over here this afternoon?
Yes?
Well, that was Grandma on the phone. And it turns out that Mossy's not very well today.
Oh.
So she was wondering if we could go round to her house instead. Short walk would be all right for you, wouldn't it, Topsy?
Yes, and Teddy and I really must get back to Mr. Fenn's garden. Back to the garden next door. Haven't we?
But can I just play with Teddy for a bit longer, please?
No, I'm sorry, Topsy. Teddy and Derek need to get back to work. But you are getting to see 2 doggies today. You're going to see Mossy and Teddy. OK?
So we're going to say goodbye. Say bye-bye, Topsy.
Bye-bye, Teddy. Next time, come and play with me and Tim.
Oh, yes, please.
Derek, please may I take one of your special Teddy snacks so I can give it to Mossy?
Yes, of course. Teddy won't mind, will you, Teddy? Here we are.
Oh,
There we are.
thank you, Derek.
OK.
Oh, I'll put one in a bag for you.
Thank you.
Oh, look. She's very interested in something over there, isn't she, Topsy?
Yeah, where is she? I can't see
She's
her.
gone in the bush. Shall we go and have a look?
Yes.
Teddy. Oh, oh, look.
Look, what's she found?
It's just an old ball, isn't it?
Oh, it's one of Mossy's old balls. They're everywhere in our garden.
Oh, are they?
Mummy, please can I take this ball that Teddy found and give it to Mossy to cheer her up?
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you, Topsy. Yes, of course you can. Come on, let's go and wash your hands before we go.
I'll get my vet's kit and then I can take it to Grandma's house and give it to Mossy to cheer her up.
Oh, that's a really good idea.
You certainly know how to make dogs very happy, Topsy.
Thank you, Derek.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good girl, let's go and wash your hands.
We walk all the way to Grandma's house. I carry my vet's kit. This is the first proper walk since leaving the hospital. We go slowly. It's Grandma. Hello, Grandma!
Hello, you two. Ooh, how are you walking? You're walking very well.
Huggle!
Oh, gentle little huggle. There we go. Ooh. Mwah.
Where is Mossy, Grandma?
Ah, she normally comes out to say hello to you, doesn't she? She's just inside having a little sleep. Shh, let's go. There she is, Topsy. She's just here in the conservatory in her favourite place. Look who's come to see you, Mossy Doggy. It's Topsy.
Look, Mossy, I've got my vet's kit.
Oh, lucky Mossy, someone to look after you. She does keep getting tired now she's a bit older.
Oh, poor Mossy.
Can I do her obs?
Oh, yes, of course. OBS, medical observations. Just like hospital. Clever girl, Topsy. Just do them very gently. Oh, that's good. Hear anything? Good.
I think I need to look in her ear now.
Just
She's
do
being
it.
a very good girl.
She is. Just do it from there, okay? Right. Does it seem all right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, Topsy, why don't you give her that dog snack? Maybe she'd like that.
What's that?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yes. Thank you.
Good girl.
What do you think, Mossy? Oh. think she wants it right now. Shall I have it to give to her later?
But she always likes snacks.
I don't think she's feeling very well, darling.
Do you remember when you were in hospital? Sometimes you didn't feel like eating either, did you? Oh. I know. Why don't you give her the ball that we found? We found one of her balls, Grandma. Topsy thought she might like it.
Look, this one. Here you go, Mossy.
Look at that. Now, can you please just put it down where she can see it, Topsy? She's sniffing it. Oh,
She just nuzzled it.
she's remembering its smell.
Why don't she just wagged her tail?
She's remembering having fun with that ball in our garden. And that's when Grandma said, "You are a very clever vet, Topsy."
You're a very clever vet, Topsy.
Thank you, Grandma.
You really have made her feel better.
Right, come on, Topsy. We need to go and pick up Tim from school.
Oh, can I stay here, please, Mummy? I think Mossy likes me being here.
Yeah, Topsy. I think that's a really good idea. You stay here with Mossy and Grandma. I'll pick up Tim and bring him back here for tea, if that's all right, Grandma.
Of course it is. Tea time with Topsy and Tim is just what Mossy needs.
I won't be long.
Bye, Mummy.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye, Joy.
I'm staying with you, Mossy.
And that, said Topsy, was that.